JAAAAG, bit of an update. First of all, the washer jets are still not working properly. Now I don't know if the windscreen washer motor has lost its power or if it's gunked up, so I'm going to try take the whole mechanism out of the bottle. There's a couple of 10mm there. I have to take the wheel off to get to the motor, which is down there. And also I've removed these trumpets because look at that. That's the gap for air to get through. That is unbelievably restrictive. So I've decided to remove it. Now I know what people are going to say, you're going to be sucking in hot air, but I don't think it's going to make a great deal of difference to a 2-litre diesel. But we'll see how we go with that. Let's see how it runs without this horrible intake. That's crap, that. Anyway, so let's get the wheel off. At the same time I'm going to buy a new air filter as well while I'm at it, because it needs it. So we'll take the wheel off and then we'll take this bottle out and we'll see what we're dealing with. Right, I've got the wheel off. Got a couple of plugs there now. That one's got the pipe attached to it, which is here. So I presume that is the motor, I think. So, do I want to take out the whole bottle? Actually, you know what I'll do, because look at that at the bottom there. Looks like a load of sediment or stuff in there, yeah. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll unplug all the plugs, let it drain, and take out the whole bottle and just give it a good clean. So, can you see that there? Yep, I think that's a 10mm. One 10mm there. I'm not sure if there's another one because I can't see. But I think there's one there. And obviously there's two here. But there may be an additional one which I'll document, so I won't bother filming this. I'll unplug everything, drain it and take it out. It's never bloody easy, is it? Right. I've got all the bolts off the pump. Of the container. And it still won't come out. You know why? Because it does separate at the top there, as you can see. But first I thought that's blocking it, so I took that off. Now the bracket that holds this is moulded to the bumper and you can't move it, and that's what's blocking the washer bottle. So guess what, I'm going to have to take the whole bumper off, aren't I? Never easy, but anyway, I think these are plastic, I'm not sure, but anyway, it gives me an excuse to give these a good sanding and a polish up, because they don't look very well. Anyway, so off with the bumper. Yeah, so the bumper had to come off. That's the bug that was blocking the washer pump. And I'll just show you the washer pump is in two parts. There's the actual filler head. Which is quite handy, I suppose. So anyway, now I'm going to clean the bottle. So anyway, I'm going to shove it in the dishwasher. Like So, where's all the bit? Right, there we go. That's what the pump sits in. It has this little gauze thing at the bottom. I'm not sure how good that is. It wasn't blocked or anything. But anyway, let's put this in with it so we can get a good wash. Then hopefully it'll come out like new. And again, it's not guaranteed to fix the problem. It might just be I'll need a new pump, but I'll inspect the pump and see if I can see anything amiss. Okay, look at that. It's like new. But I've made a discovery. It is not the motor. It is not any crap in this bottle. What it is, I believe, is this hose that's kinked. So when the bonnet shuts, it does that. So I haven't got any hose around at the minute, so I'm gonna attempt. Now this is quite a long hose, so I'm gonna attempt to chop it about there. Well, actually chop the bad bit out there and then join it using one of these, and we'll see if that sorts it. I mean, the hose is absolutely massive. Look at the size of that. It's too long, that. It was all wrapped up in the wing, and I don't know if someone's changed it already. I doubt that's from OEM. That's unbelievably long, look. Goes all the way to the ground. Anyway, so I'm going to try that, and hopefully that fixes it. So there you go, I've cut the... where's the bad bit? That's it. Oh, oh. There's the bad bit. Put the joiner on there. And hopefully that fixes it. Let's try it. Okay, so I've put the bottle on loosely, just for reference. There's one bolt there, there's one there, and the other one is there. But just to test it, I've left it all loose to see if I can prove my theory correct. I'll put that out of the way for now. So let's test with the bonnet up. Right, solved it. Working fine now with the bonnet shut. Let me undo the bonnet. Feels like it's already undone. Here's the solution. You don't clip it back in, you just leave it. That's the solution. Now that was causing it to kink. Now, I don't know if that's a design flaw or what, but with it being left like that and being away from this corner here, they work absolutely fine. So there you go. There's the solution. I'll probably why my bonnet weren't shutting, because that really screws up. But anyway, yeah, I think that's it. Now it's just a case of putting the bolts back on. That black seal, you're better off taking the whole bottle off and putting that seal into the actual bottom part of the bottle and then putting it on, otherwise you're going to struggle. So once I put it all back together, I'll make another little video showing you it all working, and that's it. And I'll see you on the next one.